Hey everybody, my name's Chris. I'm with the founder of Luki Bike Adventures. You know, I say that so many times you think I wouldn't screw it up, but whatever. And I recently made a video where I was cleaning this bike up and taking apart all the things that weren't going to be used, that were going to be replaced, and we're just kind of stripping it down, getting ready to clean and to work on. And it had these guys on the front, and I'm like, oh man, that's really rusty. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it off. I was like trying to just use my hand to turn it. And I'm like, I think this is going to be an ordeal. I tried sticking this guy in there because it's got a hole. And, you can use that as leverage. But this was acting like it's going to flex. So I was like, I'm not going to do this off screen, see how this goes. And it was not a big deal at all. Whenever I say, oh, this is going to be quick and easy, it's, the end of the world, the most difficult thing I've ever done in my life. And when I say, oh, I don't know about this, it's going to be, and then it's like super easy. So I used this screwdriver. I grabbed one that I didn't care about. You can see it is a little bit bent now. I don't know how well you guys can see that. Yeah, it's a little bent now, but it worked just fine. And I didn't want to bend my Allen wrenches. So I just stuck that in there and make sure you're going in the right direction. And, of course this one's going to be difficult. Because why wouldn't it be? Look at that. Of course. I said it was easy. I told you. Every time. Without fail. If I say it's easy, it's going to be hard. If I say it's hard, it's going to be easy. Oh, man. Unbelievable. The other one came off so easy. This is what I thought it was going to be and why I stopped recording on the other one. I thought it was going to be like this. Now maybe let's try a little lubrication. And normally I try to use all biodegradable, nice, good for the environment stuff. But in this case, I'm going to go with trusty Tri-Flow and see what happens there. Because Tri-Flow just works great for all sorts of things. Probably didn't need that much. Let's see. I mean, I said I didn't care about the screwdriver, but... Alright, let me just make sure. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, right? Right? Go in the right direction. Oh, man. What else do I have that I could use? I mean, there's always the blowtorch. Heat it up. Don't know that I want to do that. Yeah, this thing's just bending. I don't think that's going to do anything. But in my mind, I'm like, well, maybe if I hit it a few times, that'll kind of rattle something loose. Do I have a pipe wrench? I think I do have a pipe wrench. I'm pretty sure I have a pipe wrench. Will it open that big? I think it will. Let's see. So for those of you that don't know, in addition to being a bike mechanic, I have a very small home repair operation. So I'm a handy woman. Nate's home.
Yeah.
So I'm a handy woman, and so I have a lot of extra tools. Oh, check this out. You want to put it on the video?
Yeah.
So here's Nate.
Hey guys, look what I made. It's a drum.
So Nate is part of American Indian Health and Family Services Youth Group, and they are an awesome organization that do a lot of programs for specifically catering to Native Americans, but it's really open to everyone. There's a lot of Black people, Hispanic, there's some white, it's like everyone's welcome, but their programming is specifically catering to Native Americans, which we both are. And
so what they said was we have to put this in the sun for 24 hours to let it dry. Fun fact, this is some type of animal, real skin. All of this is actually skin. You want to feel it?
My hands are dirty.
Just feel that part.
Yeah. What do you think? Like maybe a cow? Or deer? It's probably a deer skin,
It's
maybe.
probably a deer, yeah.
I feel like deer would be the traditional animals they would use. Cows, I believe, were brought over here from Europe or whatever.
This is the little drumstick.
Mm-hmm.
And what you do once it's dry is just start playing songs.
That's awesome. And this is to get ready for the powwow, right?
Yes.
All right. So yeah, the youth group is organizing. Is it just the youth group or is like everybody?
I think it's everybody.
Okay, but you guys are having a part in planning the powwow this year.
Yes.
So that's going to be awesome. They've been doing a lot of really cool stuff this year. Maybe ribbon shirts and ribbon dresses.
Ribbon dresses, yeah.
They go on trips. He went to Arizona twice, right?
Yeah.
They learn about a lot of health stuff. You eat a lot of healthy foods, and a lot of it is traditional foods.
We had this really good Italy soup. It had pasta, spinach, but the spinach shrinks in the soup, tomatoes, and grilled up onions into a
minestrone.
Yeah, minestrone.
Nice.
And then we had some nasty cornbread because I don't like cornbread. We made some homemade garlic because we were trying to debate like how much food is it. It's like 30 people came today. So we were trying to figure out how many people we should feed. So we made some homemade garlic bread.
Nice.
But with garlic, not garlic powder. Some people do garlic powder.
Oh, so you use like fresh garlic and so what do you like put butter or something on the bread and then took a clove of garlic and just rubbed it on it? Is that how you guys
We
did it?
actually chopped it up and just sprinkled it on it.
Okay. Was that good?
Yes.
Nice. All right. Cool. Now once this is dry, so you got to put it in the sun for 24 hours.
Yes.
Yeah, and then once it's dry, do you need to smudge it before you can use it or something?
She didn't say anything.
No, didn't say anything about that?
No.
Okay. All right. Well, we'll find a good spot for that. So yeah, awesome and great timing on that. I'm gonna see if this pipe wrench is gonna work. But American Indian Health and Family Services is one of the organizations that we are in talks of working with, and this program was really Luki Bike Adventures was really born from conversations with them about the needs of Native American youth and Native American, Hispanic, Black youth who participate in this program, and just urban kids really who, there we go, who don't have as many opportunities to get out in nature and do cool things like this. So we are working on a partnership with them to take them out and do some bike riding. So, got that off. Pipe wrench for the win. This is not something you normally have in a bike shop, but as I was saying, this is my house, and I do a lot of my own home repairs, and I also have a very small side hustle, so to speak, of doing home repairs. called Smart Home Handy Services. We've got a Facebook page. Maybe I'll throw in a link of that because I do donate 5 to 10% of every time somebody does, get some service, every repair. 5 to 10% of that I donate right back into Luki Bike Adventures, and that's helped us buy, some of our parts. And especially it was really Smart Home Handy Services that helped get this off the ground before donations started coming in. So if you want to support that way, that'd be cool too. I think that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, check out the links down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.